on top.
At first light, in the depths of the Black Canyon, members of the Colorado Parks and Wildlife are catching rainbow trout in order to spawn more to increase their numbers and preserve the gold medal waters of the Gunnison River. Whirling disease has hit these fish hard. Without help, they cannot reproduce in great numbers on their own. But biologists have determined a small group of these fish in this canyon have a natural resistance to whirling disease. Through genetic work, they can breed more of these immune rainbows for stocking all over the state. A crew from CBS News This Morning stopped by Tuesday to observe and document these efforts. Work like this can help save a multi-billion-dollar sport fishing industry in the West. CBS News veteran journalist Barry Peterson interviewed aquatic biologist Eric Garduno of Montrose.
I'm Eric Garduno. I'm the aquatic biologist for Colorado Parks and Wildlife, working out of the Montrose area office. We're down here in the Black Canyon of the Gunnison doing a wild rainbow trout spawn. The rainbow trout in this section of river have developed a resistance to a disease called whirling disease, and we're using these fish to help restore wild rainbow trout for anglers around the state of Colorado.
For more city news, visit cityofmontrose.org.